Top secrets of becoming a successful real estate agent. Yes, dear friends, you heard it right. If you want to become a pro in your field, if you want to become a very successful real estate agent, if you want to grow your business, if you want to increase your sales, and if you want to increase your profit ratio, I am Dr. Amol Mourya, real estate coach, real estate trainer, real estate author, and entrepreneur. And with the research of me and my team, will be bringing this kind of content for you by having talked with so many agents across India and across the globe. Point number one, which is very important, is focus on regular lead generation. For an agent, the most important thing is if you start even as a beginner to learn about the leads in the real estate industry. If you focus on current trends and techniques of generating leads in the real estate industry, and you have to give more focus on lead generation. If you learn the new tricks and the techniques of generating leads, and if you utilize those techniques, if you practice those techniques, and if you generate good quality of lead, then and only then in your starting career or even in your mid career, you get a confidence that you can convert more leads into deals. The second important thing to become a successful real estate agent is self-learning and knowledge upgradation. The more you learn, my dear friends, understand this. If you really want to grow, you have to learn more. The more you learn about real estate, the more you learn about different domain knowledge of real estate industry, the more you upgrade your knowledge related with the different functions in the real estate industry, the more you upgrade yourself related with the service in the real estate industry and the methods of making team and the power of network and leverage. The more you learn about all this, the more is the chances of getting growth in the real estate industry. Third, very important point for becoming a successful real estate agent is focusing on goals and target. This is the mistake which is done by so many agents across the world. They don't know actually how much they want to earn at the end of a year. Suppose you want to make 25 lakhs at the end of a year in the 12 months. So you know that you have to earn 2 lakh rupees per month. For earning 2 lakh rupees, you must know that you have to close at least one deal, two deal, or three deal, whatever may be the commission structure or the incentive structure in your city or the state or the country. Now you have to realize that in your current project, you need at least 4 to 5 site visits to close a deal. It means you have to do a clear calculation that you have to do at least 10 site visit in a month to close two deals so that you can earn easily 2 lakh to 3 lakh rupees. And for one site visit, you need at least 10 leads. So you would need 100 leads for 10 site visit, if it is the ratio or if it is the correct law of average in your city, state, or the country. So you have to know everything, how many leads you need, how many site visits you have to do, how many closings you can do. Out of that, then and only then you can achieve your goal or your target of achieving 25 lakh rupees at the end of the year. This is the secret of becoming an ultra successful agent as well. Fourth point is making an empowering teams. Now, if you work alone, you cannot grow in any business. And especially when you talk about real estate, you have to understand the power of leverage, the power of network. Slowly, you have to utilize at least 20-25% of your earning into making a good office, into providing an infrastructure to other agents who are working with you. In that case only, you can develop your network, you can add more people into your network, and even if they will do a deal, and even if you earn a small amount out of their deal, then and only then you can increase your turnover and your profit. This is the most important thing for becoming a successful agent. Now, fifth secret or the tip is proper follow-up. Without taking proper follow-up, a best or a most successful agent is someone who is taking a very good quality of follow-up, who's knowing the process, the science behind the follow-up. The better follow-up you take, the better chances are there to close a deal. So if you know the latest trends and techniques related with proper follow-ups, using technology for taking follow-up, using CRM and the ERPs for taking follow-up, then you can grow your real estate business at a very faster level. So my dear friends, we have explained 5 very important points in this video. If you implement everything, if you learn everything, if you again and again watch this video, make notes and take action, the more actions you take, the more results you'll get. This is the simple philosophy what we teach. That's why we simplify real estate for you. We simplify real estate business for everyone across the world. This is the mission what we were following. If you feel that our content is very valuable and you want to see our video on some other topic, please comment below on which topic you want me and my team to make a video. If you feel that you want to learn all this in detail and depth, you can contact on our boardline numbers, or you can fill a form which is given in description related with our GC champion training, real estate game changer champion training. It's an advanced program for becoming a pro money machine, a money magnet in terms of real estate industry. If you feel that this video is valuable, please share with someone. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. And thank you so much for subscribing our channel. We'll meet in the next video.